Hey friends, let's learn about liquids that can be hazardous.
Yeah, some liquids can be very dangerous, so we need to be careful.
Let's learn about some liquids that can be hazardous.
Like bleach, detergent, and other cleaning supplies.
Liquids can be tricky, let's be aware. Some can hurt us, so we need to show care. Keep them out of reach and don't play. Let's stay safe every single day.
What can we do to stay safe around hazardous liquids?
We can ask a grown-up for help and keep them out of reach.
We need to read the labels and follow the instructions.
Let's be safe and have some fun. Keep liquids safe for everyone. Ask a grown-up for help and guidance. Stay safe and take good care. Let's read the labels and follow the rules. Be safe and stay cool. Hazardous liquids can be tricky to handle, but with safety tips we'll be able to tackle.
Let's hear a story about a child who learned about hazardous liquids.
They learned to be careful and ask for help when needed.
Let's recap what we've learned about hazardous liquids.
We learned to identify them and take safety precautions.
Let's learn some visual reminders for hazardous liquids.
We can look for warning signs and symbols on the labels.
We're done learning about hazardous liquids.
Let's remember to be careful and ask for help when needed.
Let's look for warning signs and be aware. Hazardous liquids can be everywhere. Stay safe and stay smart. We'll be safe right from the start. Oh.